All right, let's do another progression in the key of D major this time. So let's do a 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. So let's play the key of D major again. All right, that's the key of D major. So for each key, we can play a chord. So if we pick the first, the fifth, the sixth, and the fourth in D major, we can play. And if we play that together with the bass notes, we get the song With or Without You by U2. So first you play the major scale, then you pick chords from each of the scale degrees on the major scale, and then you can just create a chord progression. It's really that simple. So one thing I would advise you is to first, of course, understand the sequence of chords in a major and a minor key. Once you understand that, go through each of the 12 keys on the piano. So go through C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B. Learn the diatonic chords for all these keys. You have to learn the diatonic chords. And once you understand that, you can very easily create chord progressions for each key. Thanks again for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.